Open your PowerPoint presentation. Go to the Shapes menu and select the round shape. Drag it to the middle of the slide. Right-click the shape, remove the outline, and click on Gradient Fill to select your desired gradient type. Choose the linear option and select bottom right to top left. Next, click on Stop 1 to change the colors. Repeat this process for all the gradient stops. Set the transparency to 50% for all the colors. Then, select the shape and go to the Effect options, choosing the 3D Format option. Click on Top Bevel, select the Round option, and increase the width and height to 50 points. Scroll down in the panel and click on Contour, then choose White as the color. Next, click on Material and select the last option in Clear. For the Glow option, choose the second to last option and set the angle to 180 degrees. Move the bubble outside of the slide. Go to the Animation panel and select Custom Path. Click the Effect options and select the curve line. After drawing the motion path on the slide, open the Animation panel. Go to Effect options to change the smooth end to 0 seconds. Set the timing and adjust the duration to 8 seconds. Then, add the Grow/Shrink animation effect to the bubble. Go to Effect options. Under the Timing tab, select Start with Previous and add a 6-second delay. Set the duration of the animation to 0.1 seconds. The final effect to add is the Fade Exit effect. Go to the Effect options and select Start with Previous. Add a 6-second delay and set the duration of the animation to 0.1 seconds. Let's see what we have achieved so far. Perfect. The bubble enters, moves slowly, and then bursts to make a beautiful exit. Next, insert a background and click Send to Back. Let's see the awesome bubble effect in your PowerPoint.